Good morning, students. Today, I am going to explain you a very important loop of Python programming, while loop. In this video, I will also give you a practical demonstration how to write programs using while loop. So let's move toward the first topic of this video. What is while loop? In this loop, first condition is checked and then statements are executed only if the condition is true. This loop is also called pre-tested, top-tested, oblique entry control loop. So dear students, in while loop, first condition is checked and then statements are executed only if the condition is true. This loop is also called pre-tested, top-tested, entry control loop. This is the example of while loop. Now I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to make programs using while loop. Our first program is write a program in Python to print the series of first 10 natural number using while loop. We have to print the series of first 10 natural number using while loop. So open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file, type the program code here. Save your file. Now click at option run and choose option run module. Now the series of first 10 natural number is printed in your screen. Now our second program is write a program in Python to print the sum of first 10 natural number using while loop. We have to print the sum of first 10 natural number using while loop. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file. In this program, we have to print the sum of first 10 natural number. Save your file. Now click at option run and choose option run module. See, the series of first 10 natural number along with the sum of first 10 natural number is printed in your screen. Now a third program is write a program in Python to print all the even numbers between 1 to 20. We have to print all the even numbers between 1 to 20. Click at option file, choose option new file, take I equal to 2, while I less than equal to 20, colon, print I equal to I plus 2. Click at option file, click at option save as, save your file. Now click at option run and choose option run module. Even number between 1 to 20 is printed in your screen. Now our next program is write a program in Python to print the sum of even numbers between 1 to 20 using while loop. We have to print the sum of even numbers between 1 to 20. I take I equal to 2, I less than equal to 20, I equal to I plus 2. Now click at option run and choose option run module. See, the even number between 1 to 20 is printed in your screen, and also the sum of even numbers between 1 to 20 is printed in your screen. This is your output. Our next program is write a program in Python to print the table of any number using while loop. We have to print the table of any number using while loop. I equal to 1, n equal to int, input, enter any number to print its table. While I less than equal to 10 colon z बराबर n into I print n comma I equal to I plus 1. Now click it up. Now save your file. Now click it option run and choose option run module. The program is asking to enter a number to print this table. We have entered number 6. So table of 6 will be printed in your screen. Again run your program. If you enter number 12, then table of 12 will be printed in your screen.